A very good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. In this class, which class we are going to learn? It is English. Okay, English revision for your exam. You all know when is your exam, right? In this class, we are going to do the revision, and this is your second class of your revision, right? You all have got the pattern. Yes, no? Last class, you all have written the pattern, and you all know portions, right? What is the portions? Once take out your revision book where you have started writing the revision. Take out. See, I'll tell the portion. See if it is correct or no. What you have noted. If anyone not written, please write down. Portions is lesson number 3 and 4. Yes, no. Lesson number 3 and 4 and poem number 2. Lesson number 3 is Musicians of Bremen. Lesson number 4, Story of Chocolate. Poem number 2, it is Kitten. Right? And grammar. Grammar, which lessons you have? It is lesson number 3 and 4. Which are those? Nouns and pronouns. Okay? Nouns and pronouns. And you have started writing the pattern. Yes, no? In last class, ma'am gave the pattern also. And in that, what ma'am gave, what you have written in the revision, what you all have started writing. First main meanings you all have written. And second main, you all have written give one word, right? You all have taken your books, right? Your revision books, you all have opened your revision books. Open your revision, take your pen and sit. Understood? And the third main was complete the poem. It was the 2 paras. You all have written, I hope. Please don't keep your revision books incomplete. Understood? Then and there itself, when we are writing itself, you have to write. Okay? Now, what is the fourth main? What is the fourth main in your pattern? It is do as directed. The fourth main in your pattern is do as directed. Copy down. Do as directed. In this again, first main. Copy down. In this first main, it is fill in the blanks with a suitable common noun. This you all know in the pattern. In the do as directed, there are again 6 mains, right? In the do as directed, there are 6 mains. It is from the grammar part. Yes, no, it is from the grammar part. It is 6 mains overall. In that first main is this. Fill in the blanks with a suitable common noun. Okay? I'll write now. Copy down. Be little quick. Okay? If you are writing still slowly means you can pause the video and you can write. India is the name of a what? It is the name of a country. India is the name of a country. Next one, second one. Diwali is the name of a dash. What it is? Diwali is the name of a festival. Okay. Third one. Monday is the name of a week. Monday is the name of a week. Write down neatly. You all can see. Yes, no, you all can see. Write down neatly. Indian Ocean is the name of a ocean. Indian Ocean is the name of a ocean. Next, fifth one. January is the name of a month. January is the name of a month. See once again, I'll read it. Write down fast. I'll read once again. Fill in the do as directed. It is fourth main, do as directed. In that first one, first main, in the do as directed, again 6 mains. In that 6 mains, first main it is fill in the blanks with a suitable common noun. First one, India is the name of a country. Diwali is the name of a festival. Monday is the name of a week. Indian Ocean is the name of a ocean. January is the name of a month. Okay? Okay? Return. Now we'll go for the next main. Copy down. Okay, I'll give just 2 minutes time. Copy down. Okay, I'll rub the board now. Now the next main. What is the next main in your pattern? In the do as directed, what is the second main in your pattern? What you have written? It is the write the collective nouns for the animals. Yes, no? See, check with your pattern. It is write the collective nouns for these animals. Write the collective nouns for these animals. In that first one, an army of frogs. An army of frogs. A flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. A brood of hens. A brood of hens. Fourth one, a school of fish. A school of fish. Fifth one, a herd of elephants. A herd of elephants. Okay. Now the next main it is fifth main. Change these nouns to plural forms. Change these nouns to, sorry, it is third main. Okay, third main in the towards directed. Change these nouns to plural forms. In that first one, bench, 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 benches. Tooth, teeth. Baby, babies. Tomato, tomatoes. Thief, thieves. Man, men. Seventh one, door, doors. City, cities. Okay. See now, second and third main in the dual directed. I'll read now once. If you are still writing, write fast. Okay, be little fast. Okay, write little bit fast. Second main, it is write the collective nouns for these animals. First one, an army of frogs, a flock of sheep, a brood of hens, a school of fish, a herd of elephants. Next, the third one in the towards directed, third main. It is change these nouns to plural forms. Here, I don't have space here. If I write down here, if you may not see, okay? So, I have written there. What you have to do? You have to write one by one only. Don't write like that, okay? First one, bench, benches. Here we are adding es, benches. There are different kinds, okay? Tooth, teeth. Baby, babies. Tomato, tomatoes. Thief, thieves. Man, men. Door, doors. City, cities. Okay? These are the second and third main in the duals directed. Copy down. Okay. Shall I wrap the board? You all know what to do. If you are still writing, what you should do? Pause the video, write fast and play it. Okay. Okay, now fourth main in the duals directed. What it is? Rewrite the sentence. By correcting the underlined words. Okay, we have to rewrite the sentence in that first one. This is yours luggage. Here, yours is underlined word. What we have to do here, how we have to change here. Answer. This is yours. We have to change it into your. No S here. This is your luggage. Understood? No, we have done this in the grammar also. In the grammar textbook also we have done. Next to second one. The dog is wagging its tail. Here it is underlined. The dog is wagging its tail. Yes, no? Now third one. This is mine ball, mine. This is my ball. Okay, now next one. What is yours name? What we have to write it? What is your name? Okay. Now in this fifth main, fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronouns in this first one. Okay, copy no students. Now, first one. I introduced myself to my new neighbor. Second one. Mother made herself a sweater. Mother made herself a sweater. The man was talking to himself. Okay, I'll rub this once. I'll read before erasing the board. Write down. Return. I'll read once. See, after that I'll erase both also. Okay. See now. Rewrite the sentence by correcting the underlined words. First one. This is your luggage. This is your luggage. The dog is wagging its tail. It we are changing into its. The dog is wagging its tail. This is mine ball. Mine is my. This is my ball. What is your name? Yours we are changing into your. What is your name? Okay, this was a fourth main. And the fifth main, fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronouns. In that, first one, I introduced myself to my new neighbor. Myself. Mother made herself a sweater. Herself. The man was talking to himself. Himself. Okay. Till here I have written. Fourth and fifth I will write in the next. Here I will rub and I will write. Okay. If you are still writing, you all know, students, what you have to do. Pause the video, copy down. Okay. In the fifth main, fourth one it is. Father made himself a cup of tea. Himself. Fifth one. We enjoyed ourselves at the wedding. Ourselves. Okay. Now, sixth main. This is the last main, sixth main. In your do as directed, it is the sixth main, last main. What it is? Fill in the blanks with a, and, or, the. Okay, articles we have to fill. First one in that. My brother wants to be an engineer. My brother wants to be an engineer. Okay. Second one. An ostrich is a bird. An ostrich is a bird. Third one. The shirt is red. The. Okay. Fourth one. There is an owl on the roof. Fifth one. I ride the bicycle every day. Okay. This is what your sixth main. In this, I'll read one. See, in the fifth main, we have written here 2. It is father made himself a cup of tea himself. We enjoyed ourselves at the wedding ourselves. Okay, after this, sixth main, fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. It is articles. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay. My brother wants to be an engineer. And second one, an ostrich is a bird. An ostrich is a bird. The shirt is red. The. Okay. There is an owl on the roof. And I ride the bicycle every day. The. Okay, this is the articles. What you have to fill. Now, what is the next main in your pattern? What is the next main? Main number, what it is? It is fifth main. Fourth main was the do as directed. Right? It is fifth main. Now, answer the following. Okay, this answer the following. I'll write all the questions. First, copy down this. I'll write all the questions which you have to learn. Okay, write the question. Leave 2 to 3 lines for that. Writing answer. You have to write the answer. I'll not write the answer on the board. Okay, I'll write only the question. You have to see that question in the classwork and you have to write the answer. Understood? Now, copy down this. Till here, copy down. I'll erase and I'll start writing again here the answer. The following all the questions I'll write here. Copy down quick. Copied? Shut up. This heading also you copy. Answer the following. Fifth main, answer the following. You copy down. I'll start writing with the questions. And with that, you all take out your classwork also. Because last revision and all, I was giving the question with answer on the board itself. Now you have to write, okay? You are grown up, no? You are not still small children, no? You all can write, no? If I don't give the answers also, you can search with your classwork and you can write. I'll tell which lesson it is. Okay? Now, you all have copied the heading. It is fifth main. Answer the following. In that, first one. First one, what is that? It is from the lesson number 3. Okay? It is from lesson number 3. First one. In that lesson also, it is first one only. Why did the master chase the donkey out of the house? Why did the master chase donkey out of the house? It is First one. Okay, in classwork also it is first one only. See, you have left 3 to 4 lines you have written. Leave that much lines and write next question. It is the third one. Okay, in your classwork it is third one. What was the mistress planning to do with the rooster? What was the mistress planning to do with the rooster? These two questions are from lesson number 3. It is the first question and third question. Okay, this is the first and second. And next one. It is the poem 2. In that first one, describe the kitten. And next, it is the third one is fourth one in your revision. Okay. When does he drop off to sleep? When does he drop off to sleep? Fifth. This is from your poem 2. This was from your first and second was from your lesson number 3. And third and fourth, it is from poem number 2. Next one, fifth one. It is from lesson number 4. First one. Where did people find cocoa trees? And next one is the last, fifth one in your classwork. It is from lesson number 4. It is the sixth one in your revision. Why shouldn't you eat too much of chocolate? Why shouldn't you eat too much of chocolate? Okay. This is a revision question answers. From this question answers you will be getting for your exam. Okay. You have to write the answers. Don't copy only the questions. You have to write the answers. What I told. You have to copy down the question. Leave 2 to 3 lines for each answer and copy down next question. After writing the question, you can write the answer from your classwork. Okay, you all have written your classwork. Yes, no, you have to copy down the answers. Now, next the last main. Last main, what it is in your pattern? It is the sixth main. Read the extract and answer the following. This is also from your classwork. What you have to do, it is lesson number 3. Yes, it is lesson number 3. See, you all have written this. See, this is your lesson number 3, right? The musicians of Bremen. In this, first main was meanings, give one word and next answer the following, and the last main is read the extract and answer the following. In this first one, it is see, I am now too old to guard the house. This is the first one. And second one, why don't you come with us to Bremen? This two you have to write. I'll note down here. Okay, it is lesson number 3. Lesson number 3. Fourth main, 1 and 2. You have to write down it. You have to copy down from your classwork. Okay. By this, your revision over, and apart from this, you have to read all worksheet. It is FA1 and SA1. SA1 worksheet. In SA1 worksheet, you may think ma'am has sent only FA1 and FA2. Yes, no, that FA2 only, it is SA1. Okay, FA2 only, it is SA1. That worksheet, the two worksheets, the July-August worksheet was the FA1, and next it is September, it is SA1. Okay, you have to learn these two worksheets also, and apart from this, revision get prepared and question answers, everything we have given. Okay, you have to prepare well for your exam, prepare and write. Understood? Thank you, students.